here with Miss Eve, and today's video is to make superheroes bag. Miss Eve has made Superman bag, okay? It looks so fun to make and it's not that difficult, but you might need some help from your mommy and daddy, okay? Today I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started.
So, here are the things that you need for making superheroes bag. First, very important, you need cardboard paper, paper plate, pencil, scissors, cutter, paintbrushes, paints, ribbons, and sellotape. Starting the first step, you use a paper plate to make a circle pattern on a paper. By using a pencil, next you draw around the plate to get a circle shape. Finished. But I do need another one. Again, you draw around the plate. Finished. Now I have 2 circles. Next, you use the scissors to cut your circles out. Next, I'm going to make a line. Cut a big line out. I use a pencil to make a point and then use the scissors to cut a line out. You might have to use a ruler and then draw a line and then cut it out. So it's neater. Miss Eve just estimated, so it wouldn't be too neat. Done. What shape is it? Can anybody tell me? Well done. Rectangle. Okay, and I want to cut a little bit more so it's not too long. Finished. Now we have 2 circles and 1 rectangle. So the step is to stick them together. It might be a little bit tricky, so you might need some help from your parents. Miss Eve is going to use a sellotape because it's safer than using glue gun. So I'm going to stick the tapes on the paper. You might find a different way of doing this, but Miss Eve thinks it's quite easy. Okay, and I'm sticking a rectangle into a circle. Might be a little bit tricky.
Alright, Miss Eve has finished the shape of a bag. It looks like a cylinder shape, short cylinder shape. Alright, so to make a bag, you need a straps. So I'm going to use a cutter to make the gaps from both sides, but you need some help from your parents with this part finished. I have 2 gaps for putting the straps in. Done. Then I'm going to paint my bag. Maybe this is the most exciting part. Okay, so I'm going to paint Captain America shield. So I start with the red paint, and I'm going to paint around the bag into a circle. What color are they? If you know Captain America, have you seen the shield? I think it's red, blue, and white. Okay, so let's see when it's done. Finished. It looks nice, but I think something is missing. What do you think? Yes, it's a star. So I'm drawing a star for a shield. And then I'm going to cut it out. I finished my star, so I'm going to use a sellotape to stick it on my bag. Look at that. So try to stick it on that bag. Look, it looks like a shield. Captain America shield. Next step is putting the straps into the gaps. So I am going to use a black ribbon and then cut it as long as you need. So I think this long is fine with me. Okay, and I'm going to put through the gap over here. And then I'm going to tie it together. Ta-da! I finished my new superheroes bag and they look quite good and it's practical, okay? I can put my thing in the bag. You can put your toys or your dolls, your teddy bears, okay? and I'm gonna show you when I'm wearing them. Alright, I am so excited to see your own superheroes bag. I hope you enjoyed this video, okay, and I will see you next time. Bye.